Hello children, this is Shweta Tiwari. Today we are going to learn about Unity in Diversity, Class 5, Lesson 2. Today it is 14th August. Tomorrow 15th August. It means our Independence Day, when India became free from the Britishers. So today we are going to learn about our India. Children, we know nicely our India is a magnificent country. Indians are having a lot of religions, several customs, different languages, rituals, हमारी रिवाजें, हमारी परंपराएं, different festivals, whether it is Holi, Eid, Diwali. Our country have different style of music, different dances, Kuchipudi, Bharatnatyam, Manipuri, Odissi, Kallaripayattu, Kathak, so many. So we are having different cultures which make our India a unique country. Children, our India is divided into different states and union territories. People belonging to each state, they are following different customs. They have their own rivas, they have their own paramparai, they have their own way of celebrate festivals. We have different food habits also. In Kerala you will get South Indian food which belongs idli, dosha, sambar. In Madhya Pradesh we used to eat chapati, dal, rice, curry. All the states are having their own special kind of food habits. They are having their own dressing sense. They are having their own language. In Madhya Pradesh, many people are speaking in Baghelkhand area. They are speaking Bagheli, Bundelkhandi area. Used to speak Bundeli. Out of Madhya Pradesh, many more states are there which used to speak Tamil, Odissi, Kannada, Punjabi, Hindi, Gujarati, Assamese, many more languages are there, children. It is difficult to count all. In note, we have different notes on which our main languages are written. You can see there also. Except these, we have different bolis and tribal areas also. They have their own languages. We have a lot of tribal area also in different stages. जैसे छत्तीसगढ़ में छत्तीसगढ़ी. Many are there. Jharkhand people are having their own languages. It means we have different states inside the states. We are having different languages. We have different dressing sense. In Kerala, people used to wear different type of costume. Madhya Pradesh people are wearing different. Jammu Kashmir people wearing different. Means in all the state, whether it is Rajasthan or Gujarat, they are also having their own way of wearing dresses, beautiful. In spite of all this, we all Indians are united. Whether we have different dress, different languages, different food habit, different landforms, then also we are united and always remain united. Now children, I am going to teach you about the festival of India. We know nicely that we have different religions. All the states have their own way of celebrate festivals. A lot of religions are there which have many more festivals. Except this religious festival, we are celebrating some harvest festival also. Some important national festivals are also there. These festivals bring joy in the life of Indian people. Some religious festivals are Dashera, Durga Puja, Diwali, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Ram Navami, Christmas, Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Guru Parv, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti. Now children, I am going to explain you about the different festivals celebrated in India. Thank you. In next video.